wireless. It's about rain, but it's windy here, crazy winds, crazy storms, but the dogs are all playing. Shelby, that's Asia, that's Brandon, Benny. This girl is always holding on to somebody's tail. That's Asia here. Yeah, she just had a litter. Asia just had a litter, so we part of her. This diminutive ice daughter. That's Benny, Shelby, Brownie, Ice here. I see what you hear. She's just thick. Asia in the background. Love you, dog. Brownie. Hey, girl. I see what you. Yes, I see what you right here. These are the sunny daughters. They're born in August, so September, October, November, December, January. They are 5 months old. Vintage and vanilla. Yeah, they'll come out to play, but the adults are being a bit rough, so we hold on for some time. When they come down, then we'll open their puppies to join them. If not, they might spring their joints since they are much younger now. Yeah, that's the whole team here. No, part of the team, sorry, part of the team.